Welcome, welcome, welcome. Forest Night out in St. Louis. First, I want to give a huge shout out and congratulations on the upcoming wedding to Deshaun and Ashley for their upcoming wedding in May. So, congratulations to you guys. If you're following me on Facebook, congratulations on your wedding. So, Ashley put a really cool special gift together for you. Ashley created a landing page for your wedding with some really cool savings opportunity. But I also wanted to share this with you guys to show you how depending on how creative you get and how you want to just provide value to your family, to your friends, to community, and get people. We talked about getting customer referrals in the last little mini series. Matter of fact, I think the link's floating right along down here somewhere. It's going to pop up. It says learn how. If you go to the link right here, cr.xtrmimpact.com, it's going to take you to the video series that I did on how to do what I'm going to show you tonight. But again, it's about being able to share your product with the community. So in this opportunity, get to share the product with friends and family, and it doesn't cost them a dime, right? They just got to be able to follow some simple instructions. So sometimes it's about the value that you create in terms of giving away your free product, giving away samples, being able to get people to sample your products and/or your services, get them used to it, and see what kind of value is going to drive. A lot of times people don't see value till they actually put their hands on something and use it, right? So the best way to get them to do that, that's how drug dealers become drug dealers, right? Is they give away drugs and then people get hooked on them and they start coming back. So you can do the same kind of thing. If you have a product that you can sample, that you can give away, that people go, oh man, this is pretty cool. How do I get more of this that's going to add value to them? So pretty neat. Hey, Whitcore, yeah, I've got a green screen. I've got a wall painted behind me for my office here, and I can go in with using the StreamYard software, and I can put any background I want to. That's my house in Greece, right? I'm claiming that's my house in Greece. So let me do a quick screen share with you. I want to show you what I'm talking about here. This is a very, very cool opportunity. One of the neat products and services that we have with our company is a discount wholesale travel access platform. For lack of a better word, it gives people access to go in and save up to almost 70% on travel, hotels, and things like that. So what I did is I went in and created this cool little page for Ashley, and this took me this take me like 30 minutes, babe. Put this page together, and again, I do this all the time. So I'm not saying it to brag. I do this all the time. It may take a little bit longer. That's why I created the how-to. You can see that's again scrolling down where it says learn how to. It'll walk you through this and show you how to do this stuff. So this is the page that they're going to come into that I set up for them, and I'll show you how to do this. And I went in and did a video, and I created a how-to video. I like to do how-to videos on pages so that when people come in, they can learn how to use the page. So when I share this link with all the family members, they'll know how to get the best advantage of the page, and of course, go and do that. So over here on in my Vimeo, like I said, I went in and customized the Vimeo. I got a video. I got that all set up. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab the embed code. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to come into my video area. I'm going to control it, V it down, and I'm going to hit save. And it added the video in here, which is pretty cool because it looks just like the image up here. So it says watch the video below. So they've got a really cool video in here they can play. And then I'm going to hit update. Let me actually bold this up just a little bit here. I'm going to bold that up real quick. I'm going to bold that up. And I may end up putting an arrow that says watch the video. Let me make this just one font size larger. There we go. Watch the video for a quick site walkthrough. So I'm going to hit update one more time, and I'm going to come back and show you how cool this looks when it's all done and rocking and rolling. So it's update. So let's visit the page. So this is what the page is going to look like. I'm going to create a custom URL that will be probably ms.xtrmtravelsavings.com or whatever it is, and share that to the family so they'll have that so they can come in. But the cool thing about it is they'll be able to see this. It's highlighting. They're going to come in. It tells the family what they can do. Cool little video that tells them exactly what to do on the page. Of course, they click on the complimentary access link. It comes in here and it tells them exactly what to do here. Then it walks them through to the next step. Once they actually log into the account, it walks them through the back office so they can see their dashboard, the complimentary site dashboard, their savings dashboard, to show them exactly how much money they can save, which is very, very cool. And sometimes some of the savings goes all the way up to 70%. So very, very cool opportunity for them. Again, in using one of the reasons I like to use lead pages is because it's just this endless ways that you can use it to promote and grow your business. Anything from just a basic how-to video with an email capture below, so that people can get more information in terms of creating a lead magnet, for example, maybe over on Google or YouTube or Google or Facebook or something. You put an ad out that says, trying to rock six-pack abs, I got a free training series for you. And then they click on that link, and it comes to your landing page, and your landing page lead magnet says, hey, I'm going to go through 6 quick steps to show you how to get six-pack abs. And as a matter of fact, at the end of this training series, there's going to be, and I like Vimeo because Vimeo is pretty cool. In a Vimeo video, right at the end of this training series, there's going to be a screen that pops up that you need to put your email address into. They put their email address into that box, right? They put their email address into there, and then it goes to another training series that you could hit them up for maybe another training series. Then, of course, now you have their email address that's in your autoresponder that you can then drive them to more of a paid event or more of a paid subscription for something, because you're delivering value after value after value after value after value after value. So there's a lot of things that you can do with the lead pages. Maybe you got a brand new product launch that you need to launch something in terms of a new product. So you go out and create a single landing page, and you're giving away free samples. Create a sample page, and that's what this link here talks about. This going across the bottom, how to set up and create a sample or a customer referral page. Create sample pages as well. You like a free sample? That's a link that you can use out on the interwebs. That's not going to your company. It's not going to your company page. That can come in, and you can still do an anonymous video that says, hey, I've suffered from da da da, and this is the before picture, this is the after picture, this is some of the things I've done, here's my regimen, here's how I use this. And if you'd like more information on this product that's completely drastically changed my life, give me your email address right below in the form right below, and I'll get you all the details. You've got their email address. It's going to come into a form, and then of course you can go and you talk more in depth when they go to the next page of the next site. The cool thing about it, there's so many ways that you can capture leads, you can capture information depending on how deep you want to go down this marketing rabbit hole. Again, this is for a little bit more advanced. If you're brand new in the network marketing and you're brand new to marketing, you can't figure out this stuff. One of the ways that I grew my business was cold prospecting. And I still cold prospect. I still cold prospect a lot. Matter of fact, 90% of my current customer base came from cold prospecting. Recently, over the last 6 months or so, I'm starting to get quite a few leads, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 leads a day coming into my inbox from all the different sources that I got out there from leads. Like, for example, I do this live and I post it up. Somebody's going to reach out and say, so can I get more information? And I say, great, boom, that's a lead, right? So anything that you can do to put your face out on the internet and to generate income is very, very important for you. So if you like more information about using lead pages, there's a link right here, lp.xtrmimpact.com. That's going to give you a 14-day trial. If you'd like to learn how to use them, go to my this link right here, wherever it's going. Right here actually goes to my YouTube channel. I think there's 7 videos up there that walks you through and shows you a little bit more in depth of how to edit each page if you decide to go in and do that. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out and connect with me. I love using it. It's a huge, huge value to me. It really helps me grow my business. It really helps me generate leads because I've got links on LinkedIn and Instagram and Facebook and just all over the place that I can just drop a link anywhere, right? And somebody clicks on it and I can track it back to wherever that came from, and I can look at my source. And of course, the lead pages itself has a lead bucket. And every time somebody fills out a form, it tells me exactly what form they filled out, what page they came from, and what source they were. So I can decide if I want to spend advertising dollars or spend more money and putting more advertising, more effort into that social media channel. I love you. Jesus loves you. If you got some value, share it below. I'm on a mission to have no more empty refrigerators, make an extreme impact, and be a legacy creator. I hope you are too. Again, Ashley, congratulations on your wedding. Mr. McKnight, congratulations on your wedding. Deshaun, there you go. Like, woo, Deshaun and Ashley, congratulations on your wedding. I hope you got a lot of value from the product, and my gift to you to help you save money. That's the best way to get started in life, right? It's saving money. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.